Cue the montage.
Cue the montage. Get you some of that. Alright guys, today we've got a new tool in the shop. We bought the Vevor Transmission Jack. We bought it. It's the best price. I think I spent like $150 on this thing. Made in China. Yeah, it's where we get all the best tools. Either way, the amount of times that we're going to use this thing, it's going to work out just fine. So we're going to do an unboxing on it real quick. We're going to put it together, and then right here we've got the 1951 Dodge Pilot House Turbo LS. We're going to pull the transmission out, and we're going to use this new transmission jack to do it. So either way, let's unbox this thing. And out with that. We don't need that either. So looks like we've got casters. These are going to be the legs. We got the actual ram. This is a dual stage ram from what I understand. It's got multiple cylinders in it that extend. It's a little handle deal. See, this is going to be your bracketry for the top. It's going to be a foot pedal to jack it up, and this is going to be the top base. And in the listing, it says it's only single adjustable, but it looks like to me it's got dual adjustment. So we'll find out when we get that together. So let me get all the plastic off this, and we'll start assembling. So we got everything unwrapped. Here it is. The whole shebang. Ain't much to it. It appears we're only gonna need a 19 millimeter and a 15/16. So unless that changes, I'll let you know. Start with the legs. It's gonna be real simple. Make sure your pedestals are on the bottom side. Don't put them on the top side. Need as much height out of this thing as you can get. From looking and talking to a few buddies, we might eventually add like a 6-inch extension to the mounting point here to extend the ram up higher than what the legs are. There might be a height issue where we can't have the truck as high as we would want it to be able to actually remove the transmission out of the truck. So we'll figure that out later on. It'll be alright, whatever the problem is. we are. Just like so. Like I said, this has tilt adjustment. which is pretty neat because it said it didn't. So it's nice that it's got adjustment up, forward and back, and left and right. There you go. Just like so. So it will move forward and back this direction, and it tilts left or right. I ain't gonna complain about it. $150, Vevor, can't beat it. Now let's go use it. So I guess I actually forgot to put the pedal on it before we get too gung-ho. So let me get some snap ring pliers and we'll get the pedal on it. So that is the Vevor assembly for the Vevor transmission jack. Like I said, I think I bought it for like $150. It wasn't much at all. I mean, it looks like it's going to do the job. So spend $150 or spend, I want to say the other ones were like $400, $500. I'm going to go with the $150 option all day. As many times as we're going to use it in the Chaos Builds shop, it's going to work just fine. So thank you guys for watching this. We're out. Catch you in the next one.